Earth is the third planet from the Sun in the solar system. It is the densest, the fifth largest by diameter and mass among all planets, and the largest of the terrestrial planets, which also include Mercury, Venus, and Mars. It is currently the only known body in the solar system and in the universe at large that is inhabited by living organisms. About 8 billion people live on Earth. Let's try to find out what could cause the extinction of all life on our planet. Fifth place. Meteorite. According to experts, a meteorite approximately 97 kilometers wide is required to completely annihilate humanity. Such a colossal object, upon striking our planet, would not only create a shockwave, it would vaporize all living things within a radius of thousands of kilometers, incinerate forests, and trigger a series of earthquakes and tsunamis that would leave no stone unturned. A dust cloud would envelop the planet, plunging it into eternal darkness and an inevitable icy winter. Fourth place. Supernova. A supernova is what a star becomes when it dies. If such a star explodes somewhere near the solar system, things will end badly and by no means quickly. A shock wave, radiation, changing the orbits of planets, turning the Earth into an asteroid, literally anything can happen. In our galaxy, supernovae explode once every 50 years, and the closest candidate for such an explosion in the more or less close to us part of the Milky Way is Betelgeuse from the constellation Orion. It will become a supernova in 10,000 or 100,000 years. Third place. A black hole. A black hole is the second way a supernova can go. But it's no better or worse for us. When the core of a massive star contracts very tightly, tighter than when a neutron star is formed, the matter that made up the core contracts to the point of impossibility, and immediately turns into its opposite, antimatter. Antimatter slowly begins to devour all the matter around it that it can reach. And yes, if the Earth falls into a black hole, our planet will simply be torn apart. To place. Solar superflare. Solar flares happen all the time. Sometimes they cause coronal mass ejections, which trigger magnetic storms in the Earth's atmosphere. Magnetic storms can already have an impact on human health and disrupt technology. However, scientists have recently discovered that in some planetary systems, stars can literally blow away a planet's atmosphere with a powerful flare. The same can be done by stellar wind, a constant stream of charged particles emitted by a star. We don't even need to leave the solar system to find an example. Mars used to have an atmosphere, but solar wind erosion has taken its toll, and the planet now looks like the photos taken by Curiosity. Earth is theoretically destined to have a similar fate. In about 5 billion years, the Sun will become a red giant, and about 1 to 2 billion years before that, it will blow away Earth's atmosphere. One place. Human. Is it possible that human activities will lead to the threat of our planet's extinction? This question has sparked countless debates. The release of any solid, liquid, or gaseous substances, microorganisms, or energies into the environment in amounts harmful to human, animal, plant, and ecosystem health. Greenhouse gases are vital components of the Earth's atmosphere. By trapping heat, they regulate the temperature on our planet, a phenomenon known as the greenhouse effect. Scientists believe that without greenhouse gases, the average temperature on our planet's surface would not exceed -18 C, while it currently reaches +15 C. Over time, human activities have increased the concentration of these gases, contributing to modern global warming and accelerating climate change. Environmental pollution, the outbreak of senseless wars, and the destruction of nature. It's all happening right now. The Earth will die one day, just as any other plant on Earth will eventually wither and die. There are both external and internal factors that could lead to the Earth's demise. The former include cosmic events that could cause the planet's destruction, while the latter include changes in the Earth itself and human factors. In fact, last year, the World 1 supercomputer predicted that civilization would be destroyed by environmental pollution in 2050. This scenario, unlike the external ones, is much more concerning due to its proximity. And that's not even mentioning the ever-present threat of nuclear conflict. So, which will ultimately destroy the planet, cosmic phenomena, or humans themselves. Let's hope we don't find out for many millennia to come. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.